Hey guys, I'm back with another haul for you. Alright, let's jump right into this bad boy. I got 6 avocados and they were about 99 cents each, so I ended up spending $6 on the avocados. And all the items that I got today are from ALDI. I love shopping at ALDI because their prices are amazing. And they do have a decent amount of organic items, and they do have some really healthy snack items that I like to get. They're also expanding on their vegan items, so if you want to check out their burgers and sausages and things like that, definitely check out ALDI because they've been expanding their vegan items. I also got 2 heads of cauliflower, and they were about $2.20 each, so I ended up spending $4.40. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to make some vegan ceviche. If you don't know what vegan ceviche is, it's a cold dish. It's delicious, it's super refreshing. It's made with lime, a spicy pepper. You can use Scotch bonnet or habanero pepper. I also use celery and tomato. You chop everything up, you rice the cauliflower, you chop it up, and it tastes really, really good. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me post that a bunch of times. So I'm also going to be making some stir fry with the other head of cauliflower, so I'll leave links to both of those recipes above so you can check those out. So I also got some sunflower seeds, which are high in your vitamins, vitamin E, your B1, B6, B3, and folate. Super important to make sure we're getting all the minerals that we need. And I like to get that medley mix because it's easy to just like have on the side as a veggie for my son or to add it to recipes. And that was $1.19. So I got the spinach also for $1. And I like to get peanut butter from ALDI because they have really good branded peanut butter. Not a lot of ingredients, just really simple. It just has, cane sugar, peanuts, a little bit of palm oil, salt, and molasses. And the peanut butter was $1.20. So really good deal on this natural peanut butter. So I also got some bananas. Gonna let those bad boys ripe up and freeze for smoothies and banana ice cream. Those were about 20 cents, 19 cents each, so it came to about $1 for all of them. And then I got 1 lemon and 2 limes. They're about 50 cents each, so $1.50 for all of those. And I love this organic brand of carrots from ALDI. I like to snack on them and also use them to throw into recipes. You can throw them in soups and stews and they're already ready to go. No peeling required. And I got some cucumber because I want to make some cucumber salad. And I also got these mandarins. I like this huge bag because me and my son can snack on these, and they're definitely less expensive than the other grocery stores. This huge bag was only $3.50, and I've seen them for like $5, $6, even $7. So this is my absolute favorite brand of tofu to get. I always get the extra firm because I like the texture to be very firm and not too chewy. And what I like about that package is it comes in 2 separate containers, even though it's all in one, and you can just use what you need. A lot of times I don't use like the whole block of tofu at one time. And they had that on sale for $2.50. I also got these mushrooms, and these are the mushrooms that I used in my recipe for my vegan ground beef, as well as the dirty rice. So here's a pic of the dirty rice recipe. I'll put a link to it so that you can check that out if you haven't already. And this is the ground beef. You can use it in so many different recipes. So I want to experiment with using different mushrooms, but that's the one that I used the first time. And it would not be an Aldi's trip if I did not get this huge thing of spring mix. They always have the best deals on their spring mix. It's organic, so you don't have to worry about it, all the pesticides and things like that, and it's pre-washed, so you just grab it and add it to your salad. So that's the haul for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely subscribe if you like what you're seeing here. I have lots of hauls coming, more recipes. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye.